Morning, Phil. Just thought I'd send you a quick message. Day after the installation, Zoe did a great job. Really professional, really pleased with the training she gave me and everything. And yeah, I'm really pleased with it. It's nice to feel a bit of breeze on the top of my head through the system. Wearing a cap, you get very sweaty, as you know. So that's a nice feature, not to have to wear the hat. I slept on a silk pillow last night. No problems. Everything seems to be still there, perfectly fine. Use the conditioner to brush in this morning, tame it a bit, and yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really glad I've came to Hair for All, and I'm booked in for a couple of weeks with Zoe, just to have a bit more training. She's going to tell me a bit more about the glue that she used. But yeah, so far so good. So thanks a lot, Phil, and I'll talk to you later. Cheers.